Hello everyone, this is Yemi. In this video, I will be discussing how to calculate the velocity of sound in a medium. So the first one is a solid medium. So velocity of sound in a solid medium is equals to square root of Young modulus over density. Square root of Young modulus over density, where Vx represents the velocity of sound in solid medium, y represents the Young modulus, and rho represents the density. So the velocity of sound in a solid medium is equals to square root of Young modulus over density. In a liquid medium, the velocity of sound in a liquid medium is equals to square root of bulk modulus over density, where VL represents the velocity of sound in liquid medium, B represents the bulk modulus, and rho represents the density. So velocity of sound in a liquid medium is equals to square root of bulk modulus over density. In a gas medium, velocity of sound in a gas medium is equals to square root of gas pressure over density, where Vg represents the velocity of sound in gaseous medium, P represents the gas pressure, and rho represents the density. So the velocity of sound in a gas medium is equals to square root of gas pressure over density. So UTM 2003 question 19. Given that Young modulus for aluminium is 7 times 10 raised power 10 Newton per meter square and density is 2.7 times 10 raised power 3 kilogram per meter cube, find the speed of the sound produced if a solid bar is struck at one end of a hammer. So what is the speed of sound produced in a solid bar? So that is the velocity of sound in a solid medium. We are given the Young modulus. The Young modulus is 7 times 10 raised power 10, and we are given the density. The density is 2.7 times 10 raised power 3. So velocity of sound in solid medium is equals to square root of Young modulus over density. So velocity of sound in solid medium will be equals to square root. The Young modulus is 7 times 10 raised power 10 over the density is 2.7 times 10 raised power 3. So the velocity of sound in solid medium will be equals to square root of 7 over 2.7, that's 2.59 times 10 raised power 3 over 10 raised power 10 over 10 raised power 3, that's 10 raised power 7. So that's square root of 2.59 times 10 raised power 7. 2.59 is the same thing as 25.9 times 10 raised power minus 1. So that's equals to square root of 25.9 times 10 raised power minus 1 times 10 raised power 7. So that will be equals to square root of 25.9 times 10 raised power minus 1 plus 7, that's times 10 raised power 6. And the square root of 25.9 is 5.1. The square root of 10 raised power 6 is 10 raised power 3. So the answer is 5.1 times 10 raised power 3 meter per second.